In this video, I'll show you how to download the Microsoft SQL Server on your desktop. So to do that, you just come to the official download page. That's microsoft.com/SQL Server downloads. So it brings us to this page, right? Then we'll just scroll down and there are two versions available. There is a developer version and the express version. They are both free versions. So we want to, in this case, I want to download the developer version. So now the SQL server has been downloaded and we just open. So let's just open it now. After opening the file, you get a prompt that asks if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. So you're just going to select yes. And after clicking on yes, it brings up this page. Let's just wait for everything to finish loading. So now the SQL server is asking us what installation type we want. You can either choose the basic, the custom, or download media. But for this case, I'll be selecting the download media. Then you select a language. You can choose to change the language, but I'm fine with it being in English. So I'm just going to leave it at English. Then I will select the package I want to download. I'm leaving it at this. Then you can change your download location here. You can choose to change your download location to whatever location you want. But I'm just going to leave it at this one. So you click on download. And now the download is successful. So we'll just click on open folder. And then you see this ISO file. This ISO file was downloaded during the installation process that we just completed. So we're just going to right click. So when you right click, you're going to see this Ultra SO here. So you're just going to click on mount to drive. So we'll click on mount to drive. So after you've mounted the file, but for instance, it's also possible that you do not have to mount. You can also do you can just extract the file. Let me show you. So you can just click here and then on this part you just extract the file. So you can extract it here. So when you extract, it will just do the same thing as mounting. It's going to show you, it's going to install it's going to extract all the files that are inside the ISO file. So that has been done that way. So after the installation has been done, you will now click on the setup file. So this is this. So after clicking on yes, this page will come up. Let me expand it. So this page comes up. We'll click on installation. Yeah, so the first one is planning. So I'm going to click on installation and then we will select new SQL Server and the installation or add features to an existing installation. So we're going to select that. So after selecting that, it brings this option, right? So we're just going to leave it at developer. Then we'll click on, we're leaving it at developer because we downloaded the developer version. If I downloaded the express version, it would have been here. So we'll leave it at developer. Then we'll click on next. So we'll accept the license terms and agreement here. And also click on next. So we're going to leave this unchecked, right? We're not going to check it. Then we'll just click on next. Now the reason why we left that unchecked is because of I do not want to get updates from the SQL server. But if I wanted to, I'd have checked it. So now it brings us to this page. After it brings us to this page, we just click on um, next. So it brings us to this part, and then the features we would like to install, we just select database engine services. So we check that's one of the um, features I would like to install with um, my SQL server. So I'll just click on next. And then for this part, it's going to we have to type in an instance ID. So I'm just going to leave this as this and click on next. And then on this part, I'm going to select the mix mode. So after selecting the mix mode, we'll type in a password. Now, whatever password you are using here, make sure it's something you remember because you are still going to use it later on when you want to connect to your SQL server. So yeah, type the password. So now we type the password, then you click on add current user, then click on next. Now for the features that I would like to um, install, so we verify the features and then so now that um, the installation is now successful, you can see that all the features we selected have been downloaded and the status is now downloaded and all. So just click on close here, and that's how we've installed our SQL server